everybody, welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. If you're watching this face for the first time, do not forget to check out my previous videos. That will give you a little glimpse of what my channel is all about and you will get to know me a little better. And also I would request you to please follow me on Instagram and Facebook because in Instagram also there will be a notification, and also in the last video of my Meesho affordable makeup there is a giveaway. So there are a lot of rules and not lot of rules, there are 3 rules that I have already mentioned in that video. So definitely go ahead and check out there so that you all will be well notified of what the next video is or what I have uploaded. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about Meesho's sari haul. Now not many of you guys have requested, but I have tried my hands on the Meesho's jewelry haul, which you guys have actually loved it. So thank you so much. And then I did an affordable makeup haul from Meesho where the things are super affordable, and I thought why not order some sarees from there and check out how that also will turn out. And also, to be very honest, I did a Meesho kurti haul as well, so summer kurti collection, so you can definitely check out that video as well. I will make a separate playlist of the Meesho so that will give you a little easier way to find those videos. So without further ado, let's just start the video. So the first thing I got is a beautiful Jaipuri kind of a sari, which you can say a Bandhani printed sari. So the sari somewhere looks like this. This is also called a Ghat Chola sari. This is a beautiful sari that I actually loved from Meesho. To be honest, the quality and everything of the Meesho sari is also super, to be honest. So when I actually wear this, that's how. Okay, I have to wear the mic. So when I actually wear the sari, the pallu and everything will be like this, and the achal is also very good. And also this is the achal part, which has a beautiful this kind of work. So actually the sari is like this. I will be wearing, I think, in Durga Puja. Then definitely follow me on Instagram if there is any occasion. I will definitely be wearing these sarees and you will get to see me in this sari. Comes in a very beautifully wrapped and everywhere the work is the same. The work goes like this. This is again a very pretty color sari, to be honest. And when I show you the transparency, it is pretty much here, but again very beautiful. This was very affordable. Usually Bandhani print sarees and you call it Ghat Chola sarees, they are a little expensive, but I got this for like just 600 change, which was unbelievable. I was not expecting this quality, but to be honest, the quality of this sari is just wow. So this is my first sari. The next sari is something I got in a kind of mirror work. It is a little heavy sari. Like the Ghat Chola sari, this is very light, so it wasn't that heavy. But when it comes to a mirror work sari, they are actually heavy. Oh my god, this is actually heavy because of the original mirrors that they have actually attached to it. Okay, so this is what the sari is. These are actually the mirrors. Can you see guys, the sari is heavy because of the mirror. It is not the foil kind of, but it is actually a mirror. Now this is what the achal will look like. It is basically a blue sari, but the achal and everything is made of actual mirror. Very beautiful sari. I know I'm not doing justice by showing you like this, but let me show you the other way. Oh my god, this is really heavy. So this is what the sari is. The achal and everything will look like this, and the sari is completely a blue navy sari, which is again a beautiful, and in all the borders and everywhere there will be a complete foil of original mirrors, and also at the down of the sari, before this, you will get such beautiful mirror work. So that is something which is my second sari. I just need to fold them. It is very. The next I got one silk sari, which is, I got 3 varieties of sari. I thought to try all the 3 genres. The first one was ghat chola, second one was completely mirror based, and the next one is a complete silk sari. So this is a complete silk sari. To be honest, very good quality, guys. I can't tell you how beautiful the quality is. The entire sari is like this. When it comes, everything comes with a blouse piece, guys. So this is how the achal will actually look like. So when I pull it, it will completely look like this. Very beautiful red color. This was a kind of maroonish, but this is a complete red sari with the foil work, which is again good. The mirror sari, which is, oh my god, this one actually costed me around 800 change, which was again a super affordable because they're the original mirrors. And to be honest, in a sari, if you wanted to use the mirror, it does take a good amount of hand manual work, which is a great deal, and the price point is just wow. Next is this sari. This is also silk, and I think I got this for 1200, which is again very affordable. So these are the 3 saris that I got from Meesho, and to be honest, my experience was really good. The quality point is really good, price point is good, and having said that, all the saris have a running BP, which is a blouse piece. So I'm really happy with the shopping. So I think I've covered almost every aspects of Meesho, apart from home decor, which I will definitely be doing. And this is something which I did in the Meesho affordable makeup. So please do not forget to check out that video, because I have actually put in my heart and soul in that video. So do check out that video, and also in that video there will be a giveaway announcement. So definitely do not forget to check that out as well. That's pretty much for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you really like the video. Hit the bell icon just next to subscribe tab, so that every time I upload the video, you all will be well notified about it. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because there you will get a lot of notifications about my new upcoming video. That's pretty much. Stay safe, guys. Maintain social distancing, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.